In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance a portrait in under 1 minute in Luminar 4. This quick workflow is perfect when you want great results fast using the app's smart, AI-powered tools, and will keep everything simple and natural so your portrait looks polished, not overdone. Start by loading your image and looking to the bottom of the interface for the Looks panel. If you want a rapid head start, choose a portrait-style look. This instantly applies a balanced set of adjustments across the image. If it feels too strong, use the Looks Amount slider to dial it back until it feels like a subtle foundation rather than a heavy filter. Think of this as your base. It sets the tone and saves time before you fine-tune. If you prefer to keep full control from the start, you can skip the look and go straight to the portrait tools. Next, move to the portrait panel on the right side. The beauty of these tools is that they work automatically. No masking, brushing, or selections required, so you can move quickly and still stay precise. Begin with AI Skin Enhancer. Toggle it on and nudge the slider slightly to the right. You'll see minor skin texture and small imperfections smooth out, while pores and natural detail remain intact. If you notice blemishes that need a quick fix, enable AI Skin Defects Removal. It's a one-tap cleanup that keeps the result realistic. The key here is restraint. Small moves are often all you need. Then go to AI Portrait Enhancer and start with Face Light. Increase it gently to brighten the subject's face without lifting the background, which keeps the focus where it belongs. Add a touch of Eye Enhancer to give the eyes a crisp, lively look, and use dark circle removal sparingly to refresh the area under the eyes. These subtle changes make the portrait feel awake and polished in seconds. A few quick tips as you work. Make small adjustments and watch the image at around 100% zoom to judge texture accurately. Toggle the tool on and off to compare before and after. If the effect is noticeable but not obvious, you're in the sweet spot. If you started with a look, remember, you can return to its amount slider at any time to fine-tune the overall feel without redoing anything. And that's it. With a single optional look and a few thoughtful moves in the portrait panel, you've enhanced a portrait in under a minute while keeping it natural and flattering.